In this video, we're going to talk about 3.2 Objective 7, where we construct and interpret time series graphs. Time series graphs will be line graphs here, where the x-axis is time. That's typically what it is. So let's go ahead and make this graph. I'm going to go into Stat, Edit, and I'm going to put the years 2000 through 2010. Into my calculator. All right, now that I have all those, I'm going to enter this data without commas. I'm going to come back and check it in just a second. So 11,401, 11,350, 10,635, 10,454, 10,855, 10,941, 12,464, 14,198, 13,279, 10,580, and 11,625, and they match. So let's go ahead and let's make that line graph that we want. So we're going to go to second stat plot, turn our plots on, and we're going to get our line graph, which is the second option right here. We want our x's to come from L1 and our y's to come from L2. And we're going to use, that's fine, to use the open square like that. And we want our window to go from 2000 to 2010. And let's go by ones. And we want our y's to go from 10,000 to 15,000. And we're going to go by increments of 1,000. Let's go ahead and graph that. And our graph should look like so. And that looks like option D here is the best depiction of that. And so what's the pattern for the graph? The graph shows a pattern of decreasing values. This is a decreasing value. Then it's going to sharply increase, and then it's going to sharply decrease. That's kind of the trend that's going on. So that's B. While we have some ups and downs here, overall, this is a decrease until we get to a sharp increase and then a sharp decrease for our trend line, for our trend of what's going on. Now we're going to have something similar here. We're going to come into Stat, Edit, and we're going to clear these lists. And we're going to go from 1998 to 2011. Then we have 50, 64, 55, 28, 56, 93, 54, 58, 50, 59, 52, 07, 54, 51, 50, 17, 53, 86, 49, 57, 48, 78, 50, 42, 46, 13, and 45, 52. It's good to me. Going to stat plot, line graph again, L1, L2. Let's adjust our window. We're going to go from 1998 to 2011. We're going to go by ones again. And then we're going to go from 4,000 to 6,000. And see, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 to get there. So I think that's 200s, say. I think 6,000 minus 4,000. 2,000 divided by 10 tick marks is 200 per tick mark. Let's try that graph. And we're going up and down, up and down, and up and down, up and down, like so. And looks like D again for our graph. And overall here, there's an overall downward trend that's going on here. Can't necessarily draw that like that, but overall there's a downward trend. So I'd say that that is C. And there we go. We'll come back next time and talk about 3.3 Objective 1. See you for the next video.